see. I carry God, so I fear nothing. Steady increase in the commands. Original no be parody. You know it's clear for your memory.
Let's jump right into it. Here is the design we are going to be doing today. Super cute. Definitely, if you love purple, this is for you. It's purple on purple with glitter. It's so cute. So first, I just wanted to show y'all how the base looks like after I filed the nails. These are overlaid nails. We grew her nails so long. I'm so happy, and she's so happy too. So first, we are starting off with the airbrush. Oh wait, I should include the design. So here's the design, bing, that we are basing this off of the inspo. I realized last minute that the airbrush is low-key, like it has a pink tone in it. So I was like, okay, I have to add that in as well. So first I'm starting off with a layer of light purple airbrush. It almost kind of looks white, but it's purple. And I'm going to do that to every single nail. I usually do the airbrushing twice per color. And a key factor with the airbrush, you want to make sure you use very concentrated colors and not like thin colors, because I feel like that's something I didn't like notice. I don't know why I didn't notice, but you need the color to be very concentrated and very potent if you're going to do the airbrush this way. I do want to try airbrushing like with the sponge technique. I do want to try that. And there are airbrush drop colors, almost like they kind of look like food coloring colors. I want to try those as well. Those are on Amazon. I think they're like $30. I kind of want to try that as well. So, and now I'm just adding the pink color. I basically just added a dark magenta pink to the purple mixture that I had with the airbrush, and that worked just fine because I'm only doing one layer of this. And this video is in real time, so you get to see how long I actually take with the design. It really doesn't take that long. I feel like these are one of the like simple but layered designs. Like, it's simple to do, it's just a little tedious. Yes, that's a perfect wording for it. And now for the second part of the design, you have to top coat the nails before you do the 3D texture. Please top coat the nails, please. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna take my Mia Secret Finish glass top coat. I think that's what it's called. They sell two types of top coats. It's the one with the pink label. Y'all tell me if y'all notice a difference. I feel like there's a difference. I didn't even know they had two types of top coat, but let me know if y'all think it's the same. I also do like Not Polish's top coat. Is a little bit of a thicker consistency, but I do really like it. now that we are finished top coating the nails, I'm going to be adding on the 3D design. So first I'm going to be painting on the design, and then I'm going to be using like thick and thin strokes with the brush, and then I'm going to add acrylic on top, set it with the lamp, and then dust it right off. It's a pretty simple process. It does get a little tedious and annoying scooping on the acrylic to make it set, but it's pretty straightforward. Like, it's pretty quick. I used clear acrylic to do this. You could also use white. Depending on what color you're using is the color acrylic you want to use, if that makes sense. But it's always safest to go with just the clear acrylic. And now we are finished. Y'all let me know how y'all like this design, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.
Now winter or summer, I get Papa don't stop now. Living life, extend my fire, burning bright within the inside me. Small leeway,